Greetings from the Convention Center in New Orleans, Louisiana. Today I am going to try my hand at vlogging, so fingers crossed I'm not a vlogger. I'm completely out of my comfort zone right now. But I am at the HPBA, that stands for Hearth, Patio, and BBQ Expo. Of course, I'm here for the barbecue, but I'm going to give you guys a look of what the HPBA Expo has to offer. First, we're going to start out with the outdoor cooking area.
And so what makes what I'm doing stand out, besides the geometry, is the swivel that I've designed. So it has a nice little ball bearings in there, so it's kind of a
showpiece,
a novelty aspect.
That's cool.
I intended it to be cool, but
the
happy accident is that it totally does stoke the fire.
Yeah.
Right. That makes sense. Yeah, I love that. Good job.
So this one is pretty much a base model with the mid-range grill added. The low grade, like the lower option grill, the cheapy option, would be just a typical Weber grill replacement with these little pieces welded onto it. So this is your mild steel, pickle and oiled, so there's not this mill scale on it. So
That's beautiful.
Thanks.
Very cool. Very cool. Has this kind of almost a German kind of a vibe.
Like the Schwenker.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. Nope. I know exactly what you're talking about.
This is all the various manufacturers of outdoor cookers showing off their wares. A lot of these guys are actually grilling up meat, smoking meat. Got Monument Grills here. I'll show deeper details as I go here. Good old Napoleon out of Canada. Argentine grill here. How you doing? It's a little Argentine.
Yeah, Argentinian barbecue.
Nice.
It's a bit of mixture because Argentine is normally it's also a bit of the South African braai, where you form your wood into charcoal, but you can also put directly the charcoal on the bed. Yeah.
So in Argentina they'd call that a bracero.
Yeah, in France as well. Brasero. Yeah. Sometimes they call it a gaucho, sometimes they call it a braai, sometimes they call it a Santa Maria, you know.
So your brand is?
BarbeCook.
BarbeCook.
Yeah, we're from Belgium, Europe.
From Belgium, okay.
But we're looking for distributors and importers in the US.
Okay.
So what better way than to be here?
Yeah.
To meet people.
Amongst your peeps.
So we're having this, and this is also wood-based. So we burn wood to heat up the plancha, and then we cook on planches like social barbecuing.
And you got a flat top right here.
Yeah, so everybody can just stand around here. This is really hot. This is hot. You put your beer here and just cook yourself.
Very cool.
And so you gather everybody around it with a nice working table.
So let's go ahead and take a look at what Napoleon has to offer. Not really a gas guy, but these are beautiful grills. I actually used to have one of the smaller Napoleons.
This is the Metro Jetlamp. It's a wood pellet patio heater. We're the only infrared wood-fired patio heater that exists. So the way it works, this is the pellet hopper. So you fill the pellets here, gravity fed. We light it with a blowtorch, light the base fire, and within about 8 minutes you have full flame up the tube.
So there's no auger or anything?
Nope.
Wow.
Nope. There's no electrical. There's no fan. This is about 6 pounds of pellets.
Okay, wow.
It's a little less than 90 minutes of burn, and you can refill it as needed. So you could burn for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, a little less than 90, or you can refill it and fill for hours.
I'm Tim Hill. Pleasure to meet you. Welcome to Monument Grills. This is our Eminence series. This is our E605 model. One of the key benefit features of this model is it's fully featured, but you can also not find it online or in big box retail. This is primarily for our independent dealer channel. We have what we call thermochromatic controls. These are colored indicator lights so that you know the status of the heat in the grill. White is off, amber is warm, orange is hot. Red is the absolute highest temperature. Our grills get hot very fast. They cook very evenly. As you can see, this has about 608 inches of cooking surface. We also have a warming rack here, which is also removable if you need more cooking surface. On the back side, you'll see here is an infrared sear burner for the rotisserie. This is removable. And then under here, one of our other key features is our patented blade burners, which is why our grills get very hot very fast and have even heat distribution throughout the entire grill. We use 304 stainless steel all throughout our grills for the firebox and also the grill outside cover to make sure it's very well protected. Let me show you now our clear view Denali. So as you can see here, you can see your food without losing temperature. This is an LED screen, but it's very nice. This is also patented, our clear view technology. And then on this particular model, when you open the bottom, as you can see, lots of open space here, and this is where the tank is.
Hello, my name is Juan Betancourt. I'm from ingrill. We are here at HPB in the outdoor burn area 3718. Welcome to come in. We have the barrel smokers. So we have two families. We have the basic line. This is the medium barrel. This is the biggest barrel. Here you can see it. Welcome to come in. This is very nice for cooking.
So this is a barrel type cooker,
Yes.
like a drum. Very cool.
Yes.
Stainless steel,
Yes, everything is a stainless
like
steel.
304,
This is 430,
430, okay.
and the ring is a 304 inside of it.
Okay.
So it's perfect for being outdoor, for tailor getting and everything. And here we have the mini product. You can see it on our webpage. It has a 199 price. Here it comes with the accessories. You can buy it. You can do perfect as a backpack to take it to
Oh, wow.
for your trips, for everything.
Yeah, that is cool. I like that.
Hey guys, I'm Caleb from HR Tech. I'm here showing off the new smoker. It's it's an egg style dimpled smoker with it's a pellet fed. So imagine if a Traeger and a green egg had a baby. So the neat stuff about this is you can feed it with the pellets, and in the back it has a chute with a big auger that has a high flow capacity. The temperature goes from a 180 all the way up to 475, 500.
This is a 20-pound hopper?
I believe it is it's a 20 pound.
Okay.
Inside of that we have a 18-inch surface area, and below we have the same size hot plate where it helps diffuse all the heat. It's fully made out of ceramic, high heat resistant, moisture resistant, shock resistant ceramic.
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm with Quick Start Grill, and today you are looking at our barrel-sized grill. We are an automatic starter charcoal grill, and you can start your charcoal in 6 minutes or less just by plugging it in here. So you just plug it in simply, and 6 minutes or less, it'll start your charcoal for you. No lighter or lighter fluid needed at all. So this one retails at $3.99. That one retails at $2.49.
So yeah, the outdoor burn is a lot smaller than previous years. Let's see what's going on indoors.
How you doing? I'm Andrew Gubler. I'm the sales director for Sealskin Covers. We're here at HPBA Expo 2026. We're displaying not only this beautiful monument grill, but the covers that we can make for it. And what really makes our covers unique is they're 100% waterproof. They come with a lifetime warranty. They come fully custom, any dimension that you want. And it's not just for grills, it can be for patio furniture, firewood racks, chimeneas, fire tables, anything that you would possibly need to cover and protect, we provide the protection for it. And it's snug, durable, breathable, custom fit. We've got standardized sizes as well. And this is what we do all day, every day.
Hey everybody, welcome to American Made Grills. We're down here at HPBA 2026. We have a brand new release called the Ovation Grill. It's in our hybrid series. So within our hybrid series, we have 3 different models, a muscle, an encore, and an ovation. What we're looking at here is the ovation. It's available in 36, 42, and 54 inches. It's a true hybrid grill. So you can cook on gas, you can cook on lump charcoal, wood, briquette, anything you want. We got a great grease control system into it. Fuel trays that hold out. Your burners are protected by the fuel trays so they won't clog. This grill's gonna come loaded. You're gonna come with a griddle plate, an IRB burner, a rotisserie, your rack holding so you can refuel. Everything you need for this, including a cover. It's 100% crafted and made in the US. So it's very unique to us. And again, available in 3 sizes.
Hi everybody, Chuck Nitschke here from Videl USA and the Outdoor Plus. We're so excited to kind of show you some of the unique grilling features that we have. Right here we're featuring, this is our Brasa. Now this is our Argentinian grill, and this is 100% USA made right here in California. So this is a high-end 304L stainless steel, and you're gonna see a couple different things here. Number one, you're gonna put your charcoal and your wood down in this bay down here. That's gonna be your fuel source. Now up here is gonna be your cooking area. Now it's gonna come standard with 9mm cooking grates. You're gonna see we have some also accessory grates, all the way up to full custom grates as well. So if you wanna laser cut your last name, maybe a company logo, we can fully customize your cooking surface for you as well. So we have multiple features as far as how you wanna grill. It also has a rotisserie that's available for it too, but it's really nice because what you do is you take this handle here, and you can see how you can raise and lower your cooking surface to be able to increase and decrease your cooking temperatures. So this here is gonna have tabletops that come up so everybody can gather around, cook their own food. This is such a great area, and really what's grilling really about is, number one, it's entertaining, but number two, it's about creating memories. And this is such a great piece. This is called the Titan. Now, this is a Kamado smoker that is a 4-in-1 oven. So number one, you're gonna put your charcoal, I can show you here, down here in this tray. And what that's gonna do is when this grill hood comes back down, that's gonna seal the unit. We've got a lot of gasketing, commercial rated gasketing. So this will get up to internal temperatures of about 1,000 degrees, but exterior is gonna still be cool to touch. So it's super safe to use, but you're gonna see you can put your ribs or your brisket or anything you wanna smoke up on top. Down here, does come with a pizza oven as well. So if you wanna cook some pizzas in here, or maybe you wanna take that out and maybe bake some bread. Again, this is so multifaceted and what you can do with it. And the Titan is something that, again, we build 100% in-house right here in the United States of America. It's got wheels on the bottom, so it's portable if you wanna move it. But again, this is gonna be a really unique, special piece that we have here at Videl USA. This is our pellet smoker. So this is a vertical pellet smoker. Now, a big thing in the industry right now within the smoking is you have these kind of more kettle drums, more standard grill head, where everything closes and you can't really see. One thing we've done is we've built ours vertically versus horizontally. But number two is we've got this beautiful pyroceramic glass on the front. So you can see it's more intimate. You really can get in there with the food that you're cooking. But you're gonna see we're gonna have a touchscreen panel on the front. And when we start it here, you're gonna notice we have an LED indicated light strip along the bottom. And as this is gonna start to increase in temperature, this is gonna move from yellow to orange to red. So if you're out playing with the kids in the backyard, you can see when this is gonna be ready to cook on. So in here is where you're gonna put your pellets. This is a 100-pound pellet hopper. So we've tested this all the way up to 50 straight hours worth of smoking if we needed to. 100 pound. It is a massive hopper. So inside will be your burn pot. And this is where you're gonna have your retractable cooking grates on the inside. So if you wanna maybe hang some meat, or maybe you wanna do some ribs, or maybe a larger brisket, you've got the space to be able to accommodate that. Full electric ignition. Now again, with these meat probes, you're gonna put that into your meat, and then you're gonna close the door. You're gonna use it. Now, we also have our very own app. So that's gonna be communicating everything that you're cooking back to the app on the inside. So you could be sitting in your living room really paying attention to your smoker and what's going on. It's hands-free operation, is absolutely fun. And again, we build this in-house. So these are three of our elements here that we're kind of releasing. We're having a lot of fun. Now, of course, the rest of the Videl line, you're gonna have your power burners. We've got a food warmer here as well. So if after you get done cooking your chicken or your steak or your beef, you put your meat in here, you put your sternos in here, keeps the flies off of your food, keeps your food nice and warm while you're maybe finishing your veggies. We've got our luxury grill, our griddle. So with this here as well, it's going to be integrated warming rack.
Like
We've got
32.
Yep, 32. We've got two massive burners on the inside, flamethrower ignition, carry over to make sure that those burners stay lit at all times. So we've got our griddle. This is our powder coat island over here. So powder coat and powder coat. Over here, you're going to see our Pacific series with our composite decking island.
That green, the ambient light there, that's cool.
And again, because we build this in-house, we can put custom logos, LED lighting, speaker systems, whatever's going to make this special for your backyard. And then the last one I'll show you really quickly. Now this one is pretty fun as well. This is something that we just unveiled this morning. but we also put together something I don't think you've really seen before. So again, really what this is really showcasing is, as the manufacturer that gives us unlimited ability to be able to help create a custom space that makes it special for you and for your family. So this is kind of a showpiece just to kind of show that
It's pretty.
we aren't just pulling our systems from overseas. This is all USA made, and if there's something that's going to make your backyard special, we can produce that for you.
Hi, I'm Adam Peterson with Yoke Grills and Cookuun Covers, and this is our grill cover, unlike a grill cover you've ever seen before. All grill covers right now are just essentially bags that sit over your product. They're susceptible to wind and blowing off, and of course critters, snakes, insects, mice getting into your grill. This has a fire-resistant zippered base panel that lives under your grill, and the cover itself will zip up around it. In the Kamado version specifically, we have an upper lid that removes, so you can access any internal tool storage or check your charcoal level without having to remove the whole grill cover. We have optional air filters that help with some of that mold growth that kind of occurs on some Kamados. This kind of filters the air that comes through, gets rid of the pollen, the salt spray if you're in a coastal region, and just keeps everything clean, keeps your investment clean for years to come.
Hi there, my name is Mika Old. I'm from Oldwood in New Mexico. We are a packaged firewood manufacturer. We specialize in things like aromatic packaged firewoods, smoking and cooking woods. Basically, if you can burn it, I make it. One of my favorite products that we make at Oldwood is our what we call mini oak, and they're perfectly sized for all of your at-home pizza ovens, uni, solo stove, brio. Basically, if it's something that you're making at home in your pizza oven, our wood is perfectly sized for it. It's heat treated, so it lights really easily. It smells beautiful, and it makes your perfect pizza in about 90 seconds. Another great product that we have here at Oldwood is essentially it's a Swedish torch is what they've historically been called. It's an aromatic single log fire. You can find these in Walmarts nationwide called Go Fire. And when you pull off the label here, there's a little hole in the side. You light the fire starter and it burns into this absolutely beautiful self-contained torch.
Where's the fire starter?
The fire starter is right here in the edge. Let me show you another one that's unwrapped for you here. So this is essentially what it looks like when you take the label off of it. So you light the corner of this when it's in there, and it'll burn from the inside out, just like a self-contained torch.
Okay, we are done with the HPBA Expo. It was good, it was fun. I wish, honestly, it was a little larger. Like the last couple times I'd been there, there was definitely a lot more, at least on the barbecue end there. But we still had a great time, met some great people. We are now in New Orleans, downtown, kind of hanging out. We're gonna go to the French Quarter. I'll bring you along for the ride, just kind of, my son's never been here before, he's 22 now, so we're gonna go out and have a little fun, just show him Bourbon Street. We're not gonna, I'm not a Bourbon Street guy, but we're gonna show him Bourbon Street and then go have some food, some music, and just enjoy the town, and yeah, try to bring you guys along. I feel weird doing this whole vlogging thing. So we're just kicking it off with little Jackson Square, kind of just soaking in the sights. It's beautiful out here. There are a lot of people, it's a Thursday, but we're really enjoying the weather right now. My son and wife are walking down the street on Decatur. My wife never wants to be on my videos, so I'll just shoot her from behind. She doesn't know I'm doing this. Checking out the French Quarter now. A little bit of construction going on, but it's still very cool. We're looking for some music. Have a couple of little cocktails. Having a little dinner at the Quarter Two Sisters. My wife and I ate here last time we were in New Orleans, and we really loved it. Last night we had Commander's Palace, and that was awesome. Having a good time. We're gonna be having some beignets and cafe au lait for dessert. I'll be wrapping this video up here on good old Bourbon Street. We got 1.5 more days in New Orleans. We're just gonna enjoy the food and relax. Thanks for stopping by.